Alright, well, here we are. We're in the old chicken coop area. There's just a little bit of fence left that's got to come down. I think I figured out where at least the chicks were coming through here. I got a baby chick there, and mama's freaking out. But you see that? I got two of those in this fence. They were where I had posts going through here to keep the covering on so raccoons couldn't climb in and kill chickens. And I think that's how these guys got through. So, alright, there's some of the posts set up. Big posts, chicken coop, door, post. There's all the fencing. See, I can grow weeds. Lots and lots of weeds. There's more of the big old post settings, 2x4. Okay. Mama's back there with her babies. I must have figured out. Where are they now? There they are. Okay. They figured out how to get back. I think it's those holes. I gotta fix those this weekend. Anyways, I think I'm gonna move into this coop. I gotta put a roof on it and do a little bit of work to automate the doors. But I'm gonna slide that out and put it into this area here. I'm thinking of taking that fence. I gotta move it anyways to move the coop and string it along there. And depending on how far I want to come, I either am gonna bring it this way before the tree or just after the tree, and then enclose all of this area and turn this into the new chicken coop. There's not much growing. You can see it's just mostly burdock and weeds, and maybe I might enclose that. That's the old chicken poop and stuff I tried to compost it. Nah, sort of composted, sort of didn't. But yeah, I'm thinking this is what I'm gonna do. Just enclose this whole area. I'll let you know.